Millions of men over 40 eat beetroot, hoping to reclaim their daily vitality and bedroom performance, yet most are seeing absolutely zero improvement in their circulation. The clinical data is clear. The potential for a massive nitric oxide surge is there, but the way you are currently eating it is likely blocking every single benefit before it ever reaches your bloodstream. So what is the hidden biological reason your body is rejecting these nutrients? And what is the exact physical shift you are missing that turns this simple root vegetable into a clinical-grade tool for your vascular health? To understand why beetroot is so critical for male vitality, you first need to look at what happens to your circulatory system as you cross the age of 40. Every single year, your blood vessels naturally lose their elasticity, a condition known as endothelial dysfunction. This arterial stiffness forces your heart to work twice as hard to pump blood to your brain, your working muscles, and your lower extremities, creating a frustrating drop in daily endurance and bedroom performance. To truly restore your stamina, you must feed your endothelial cells the exact raw materials they use to keep your blood vessels open and relaxed. This is where the unique molecular structure of beetroot comes in. Beetroot is packed with highly concentrated dietary inorganic nitrates. When you consume beetroot correctly, a fascinating biological reaction takes place. The nitrates mix with the natural bacteria living on your tongue, which converts them into nitrites. Once swallowed, your stomach acid and blood vessels convert those nitrites into pure nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is the ultimate biological signaling gas. It interacts directly with the smooth muscle tissue surrounding your blood vessels, forcing them to completely relax and widen. This creates an immediate body-wide drop in vascular resistance. For men over 40, this means oxygen-rich blood can glide effortlessly through your entire system, instantly lowering resting blood pressure and maximizing targeted blood delivery exactly where you need it most for physical performance and endurance. To lock in these active vasodilators and prepare beetroot for maximum benefit, you must consume it raw and pair it with specific absorption catalysts. Take one medium-sized raw beetroot, wash it thoroughly, and leave the skin on, as the skin contains a high density of protective antioxidants. Chop it into small pieces and run it through a juicer to extract exactly 1 cup of raw concentrated beet juice. Now here is the synergy mixture. Stir in 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil and the juice of half a fresh lemon. The healthy monounsaturated fats in the olive oil provide a lipid transport vehicle that helps your gut absorb the fat-soluble vitamins inside the beet, while the vitamin C in the lemon juice acts as a powerful stabilizer. This antioxidant shield stops the delicate nitrites from breaking down into unwanted compounds in your stomach, forcing the maximum amount of active medicine straight into your bloodstream. If you are boiling your beets or eating pickled beets from a supermarket jar, you are completely wasting your time and making 2 massive mistakes. First, dietary nitrates are highly water-soluble and heat-sensitive. When you boil beetroot, the active nitrates literally leak out into the cooking water, leaving you with nothing but fiber and root sugars. To get the performance benefits, beetroot must be consumed raw. The second fatal mistake happens inside your mouth, because the conversion of nitrates into blood flow-boosting nitric oxide depends entirely on the friendly bacteria living on your tongue. Using antibacterial mouthwash completely kills the reaction. Clinical trials show that using antiseptic mouthwash after consuming nitrates wipes out your body's ability to generate nitric oxide, completely destroying the vascular benefits of the food. The absolute best time for men over 40 to consume this raw nitrate shot is roughly 2 to 3 hours before a workout or an intense physical session. Clinical data shows that nitric oxide levels in the blood peak exactly 3 hours after consuming dietary nitrates, giving your body a perfectly timed surge in vascular pressure and physical endurance. Drink it on a relatively clear stomach to allow the gut lining to absorb the liquid quickly without digestive interference. And remember to avoid brushing your teeth or using mouthwash for at least 4 hours after drinking it to protect those essential tongue bacteria. Within the first week of using this raw protocol, you will notice a definitive change, a noticeable drop in morning stiffness, a major reduction in midday energy crashes, and a complete restoration of your physical stamina. But mastering your daily vascular health with raw kitchen protocols is only one step when it comes to optimizing your body after 40. If you want to keep discovering these straightforward, science-backed protocols to naturally maintain your health, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now and like this video to help other men access this. I want to hear from you down in the comments. Drop your age below and let me know if you have ever tried brewing or juicing raw beetroot like this before, or if you're going to try preparing it with this raw olive oil method tonight. Let me know your results down below.